So today I'll be showing you guys how to do a quick and easy style on your old wash and go. This is how I went to bed with my satin scarf, and what I did was to just put my hair in some chunky twists just to avoid shrinkage. So I'm gonna use some olive oil to unravel my twist. And what I'm gonna also do is that after unraveling the twist, I'm just gonna give my head a big shake and use my fingers to separate the curls. So I'll be using my tail comb and my pig comb and also a few elastic bands for this style. I'll be using the tail of the comb to part my hair. So I'm just gonna do 3 cornrows to the front, backwards. Then I'll just use the elastic band to secure the ends. And what I'm doing is that I'm just parting it in a slant direction, well, just for the style. And again, as I said, this hairstyle is pretty simple and easy to do. Okay, so now for my final braid. Look at my serious face. And what I'm gonna do next is to just use my Styling Gel just to lay my edges down. And I'm gonna use a old toothbrush to brush them in. Next, I'll be using my pig comb just to stretch the root of my hair a bit and to get the hair even. So I'm not gonna comb it out, I'm just gonna pick it gently and then use my fingers to even my hair, as you can see. And that's it. Pretty easy and simple and extremely quick. I hope you guys enjoyed.